You either just started streaming or you've been streaming for a while and you're just feeling stuck. Today, we're going to go over how to create goals for your Twitch business. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenna, the creator of Geek Responsibly, and today I'm going to go over how to create goals for your Twitch business. I get a lot of inquiries and people asking for my help. Many times they are people that have already been streaming for a while. Yet there are a couple people that are brand new. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and ring that bell so that you know when a video goes live for you. Also share it with anybody that wants to build a streaming business as well. When people reach out to me, the first question I ask them is, what is your streaming goal? Most of the time they respond with, I just want to hang out with people, play games, and have fun. If that is exactly what you're wanting, you can stop watching this video because you're already doing it. All you do is just press play and let the games begin. But if you're wanting to be the next ninja, that's not going to work. So first, be honest with yourself. What is it that you really want from streaming? Is it getting another paycheck? Is it networking and building your personal brand? Write down exactly what it is that you are trying to accomplish on Twitch. There are so many opportunities. You can either do health and wellness, educational, you can do reading, playing video games, whatever it is, it can be on Twitch. If you are looking for a specific goal, you have to plan. So once you get that main goal down, then you can start going into what is your 1 month goal. So for example, if you want to be a Twitch affiliate, Twitch literally writes out exactly what you need to do in order to reach affiliate. And it can be very easy if you plan. 1 month could be, I want to reach affiliate. If you are already an affiliate, congratulations. What are your 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month goals? This is something that I enjoy having written down because you can choose attainable goals and your community actually gets excited to help you reach them. How many times have you jumped into a stream and somebody has either a follower or a sub goal of the day? And how exciting is it when you can contribute to that? That's what your community will want to do as well. Now you can break down exact steps on how you're going to reach that specific goal. How many viewers do you need to actually have? How many followers do you need to have? How are you using other social media platforms for your advantage in order to reach those goals quickly? I reached it in the 7 days that they stated, so I know it is possible. But 1 month is a very good time frame to get that goal. Leverage those other social media platforms and now build your following and your community. Is one of your goals a money goal? If it is, write that specific amount down that you would like. Again, be reasonable. Don't say that you want to be a millionaire in a year. With that being said, what is your 3 month goal? Again, this is going to be maybe subs, follower, or networking. Who do you want to be reaching and working with within 3 months? 6 months. 6 months goes by quickly, but in the land of the internet, there is so much that can change day by day. So writing down your 6 month goal could again be a money goal, or it could be potentially followers or more brand deals. See, it's a business. Now, if you have any questions, throw them down into the comment section below so that I know what other information that you guys are wanting me to expand on to help your Twitch business. And again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and ring that bell so that you know when another video goes live for you. And always remember to geek responsibly.